Hi, in this video we will see how to install free SSL in SeekaHost. Type SeekaHost India in browser and select the SeekaHost India website. In home page, click on Login. In the login page, enter your SeekaHost account email address and password and click on Login. Inside the client area dashboard, click on Services. There you will see the list of your packages. Just click on Manage on it. Next, click on Login to cPanel. It will redirect the page to cPanel dashboard. You can even log into the cPanel directly without accessing the client area. For that, you have to type domain name /cPanel in the browser. Enter your username and password and click on Login. Once you have logged into the cPanel, click the SSL or TLS status option which is on the right side of the page, or search SSL option in the search bar and click on that. After that, here click the checkbox near to the domain option. It will select all your domain names. And confirm include domains during auto SSL option is selected. Next, click on the Run Auto SSL button. It will start your SSL installation. Here you will see the red symbol which shows your domains are unsecured. Just wait for the completion. Once the SSL is installed, it will refresh the page within 5 seconds. After that, you can see the domains are turned to green color. That means SSL is enabled for all your domains and it will show auto SSL domain is validated. Next, search as domains in the search bar and click on that. Here, enable the force HTTP redirect option. If you load your website with HTTP, it will redirect the website to HTTPS version. So, now load your website in the browser. You can cross-verify the SSL is installed on your website here. Apply this method to install free SSL. If this video helps you, like, comment and don't forget to share. For more information videos like this, please subscribe our channel.